you're watching this with an open suitcase, 3 piles on the bed, and the sense that you are 10 seconds away from a meltdown, hi, this video is for you. We are about to pack fast, thoughtfully, and without crying on a pile of clothes on the floor. Last month, a friend of mine texted me in the middle of a full spiral. She was leaving for a cruise the next morning, nothing was packed, nothing fit, and everything felt wrong. You know the feeling where suddenly every single item of clothing you own looks like it belongs on a different, worse version of you? That was her. So instead of sending thoughts and prayers, I sent instructions. So if you're short on time, short on patience, or one ill-fitting pair of shorts away from shoving random garments into a tote bag and hoping for the best, stay with me. This is how you pack fast without overthinking and without hating yourself by the end of it. Step number 1, do not start with clothes. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They start with the clothes. Clothes are emotional and they make you have opinions and delusions. That is not what you need right now. Instead, we're going to start with the non-negotiables, things you know you need. You want chargers, headphones, medications, toiletries, jewelry you always wear, makeup, your must-have travel documents. This does 2 important things. First, it creates momentum. You're packing, not staring. Second, it calms your nervous system because your brain goes, oh, we are doing something. You want quick wins early. Open the suitcase, put the things in it, do not organize yet. This is not the time for cute pouches and folding tutorials. This is time for progress, for forward movement. Next, you're going to get to the clothes, but the easy ones first. Now we want to move the clothes, but still not the hard ones. We start with the things that are easy to choose, easy to forget, or would be annoying to replace. That means underwear, bras, socks, pajamas, a swimsuit and cover-up maybe, workout clothes, but be realistic. Do not romanticize this part. Once these are packed, you've removed about 40% of the mental load. And suddenly the rest feels manageable. Pick a method, whatever the method is. At this point, you need a system, not a Pinterest board or a fantasy version of yourself. Pick a method, whatever it is, the 3x3 method, the 5-4-3-2-1 method, the 3-day method, the monochromatic method. Pick one and stick to it. With all of these methods, versatility beats variety every single time. And if you want more breakdowns on specific methods, I have videos on my channel that walk you through step by step. But tonight, you choose one and move on. Don't try to be perfect. This is important. Do not try to pack perfectly. Try to pack enough. Perfection is what makes people miss flights. You do not need the best outfit or the most flattering little black dress invented or the version of you who suddenly loves linen and a big buckle mule. You need clothes that are weather appropriate, not actively annoying, and preferably clean. But if you have the ability to do laundry on vacation, we can bend a little on the must-be clean rule. And here's the truth no one tells you. It does not all have to fit in a carry-on. Checked bags exist, laundromats exist, and stores exist. Which leads me to, you can buy things when you get there. If you forget something, you are not doomed. Just about anywhere in the world, you can buy a toothbrush, a book, sunscreen, a black tank top, flip-flops. People act like forgetting an item is a moral failing. It is not. It is a mild inconvenience at worst. You will adapt and survive, and maybe even thrive. Treat yourself packing. Here's a mindset shift I love.
3 words for you. Treat yourself. Treat yourself 2011.
Plan to buy something at your destination. A sweatshirt, a hat, a souvenir t-shirt. This does 2 things. It removes pressure from your suitcase, and it gives you permission to stop overpacking those just-in-case items. You're allowed to arrive with a shopping list. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. This is future you advice. This is not advice for tonight. Always have a toiletry bag packed, basic makeup kit ready, and a spare charger in your luggage. These things stay packed and ready for you when you have to pack in a hurry. This turns packing from a crisis into a task. When you get home and unpack, refill all the stuff you used, and future you will be deeply grateful. Here are a few bonus rules that save time. Pack for a schedule, not the fantasy. If you're not a multiple outfit changes per day person at home, you will not become one on vacation. Pack shoes last. Shoes take up space and set the tone. Pick 2 pair. You can have 3 if one of them is flip-flops. Pick just 1 wild card outfit max. That just in case dress gets 1 slot, not 5. Wear your bulkiest items. Jackets, sneakers, heavier layers go on your body. And stop second guessing your choices. Once it's in the suitcase, it stays there unless it is truly wrong. If you're spiraling right now, hear this. You do not need to love every single item you pack. You just need to get packed. Packing is not a reflection of your worth, your style, or your life choices. It is a task with a deadline, and you are more than capable of handling it. If this helped you calm down, pack faster, or avoid a full meltdown, please like this video and subscribe. I post practical, real-life packing tips for people who want to travel without overthinking everything. Now, put down your phone and go finish packing. You're doing great, sweetie. Thanks for watching.